But you can't focus and shut your eyes when you're driving. Your eyes must be wide open,
Okay.
not wide shut.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can focus to do other things with your eyes shut,
Yeah.
but not when you're driving.
Okay.
You can't move up and shut your eyes. What kind of silly thing is that? Come on,
Okay.
ready now, please.
Okay. Wait, what was I doing?
Okay, all right, we're gonna pull up again. All right, cool. Stop here. Pull up again, ready.
Go back to neutral.
So that was a good try. You didn't roll back, but guess what? You didn't do also.
Close my eyes.
There was no observation whatsoever.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So remember, we need to look. Yeah. What? Tell me why we need to observe though.
Because of that.
Yeah. Yes,
Oh,
if we don't
great.
observe, we don't know if it's safe. Alright, so plan again now. So you did well, you did not roll back.